Janani Janmabhoomi News Network Kalaburagi, Karnataka 14-year movement for the inclusion of Buddharudyana in the Karnataka state anthem reaches a new milestone. Kalaburagi, July 16, a 14-year campaign seeking the inclusion of the word Buddharudyana in the Karnataka state anthem has gained renewed momentum with growing public and intellectual support across the state. The movement, launched under the campaign hashtag Include Buddharudyana and the state anthem, began on the 9th of October 2012, when Dr. Chimbaba Buddhapriya published an article advocating the inclusion of Buddharudyana in the anthem. A significant milestone in the campaign came through a series of intellectual exchanges and correspondence with eminent scholar Professor C. P. Krishnakumar. This was followed by a public seminar and dialogue titled Why Is There No Buddharudyana in the State Anthem, held on the 27th of January 2017 at Gautam Buddha Park, Manasagangotri, University of Mysore. The program was inaugurated by renowned writer Professor Aravind Malagatti and chaired by Professor C. P. Krishnakumar. It was attended by distinguished scholars and social leaders, including Professor K. S. Bhagavan, Professor D. Nanjundeya, Professor Mahadevi, Dr. Y. D. Rajanna, Professor M. Rudraya, K. Deepak, M. J. Suresh Gowda, Nagasiddhartha Huleyar, Dr. Shivakumar, Sosel Siddharaju, Jaishankar Mestri, along with several student organizations that extended their support to the movement. Another major milestone came during the 100th anniversary celebrations of the Karnataka state anthem on the 24th of October 2025, when nearly 15,000 students sang the anthem in one united voice. During the inaugural ceremony, Professor Aravind Malagatti publicly appealed for the inclusion of Buddharudyana in the anthem, giving fresh direction and momentum to the campaign. The movement gained further prominence during the International Buddhist Conference, held in Mysuru on 14 to 15 October 2025, where young Buddhist scholar Dr. Chimbaba Buddhapriya presented a research paper titled Why Is There No Buddharudyana in the State Anthem? At the same conference, Pujya Janana Prakash Swamiji strongly advocated the inclusion of Buddharudyana, while former Mayor Purushottam Anna read one of the conference's 5 resolutions formally recommending its inclusion in the Karnataka state anthem. According to the campaign organizers, a proposal for including Buddharudyana had earlier been submitted during the BJP government in the presence of then MLA N. Mahesh and former Union Minister V. Srinivasa Prasad. The movement also received support from senior Kannada writer Dr. Mudanakudu Chinnaswamy, senior Buddhist devotee Dr. Shivakumar, and others whose efforts helped bring the issue to the attention of former Minister Dr. H. C. Mahadevappa. Further encouragement came from Dr. H. R. Mahesh, President of the Karnataka Bodha Samaja, and Mrs. Girija Mahesh, who composed and widely promoted a musical version of the state anthem incorporating the words Hindu, Christian, Muslim, Parsi, Jain, Buddharudyana. During the Buddha Fest organized in Mysuru under the leadership of Malkundi Mahadevaswamy and his team, a memorandum was submitted to Dr. K. Shivakumar, member of the Karnataka Legislative Council, who assured the gathering that he would pursue the matter. Subsequently, the government of Karnataka constituted a committee under the chairmanship of Professor Purushottama Bilimale, which later submitted its report on the issue. Expressing gratitude on behalf of the Dhamma Deepa Pratisthana Charitable Trust, R. Mysuru, founder President Dr. Chimbaba Buddhapriya thanked all those who directly and indirectly supported the movement, including followers of Buddha, Basava, and Dr. B. R.